Let's take a look at how to change the air filter in an LG refrigerator. The air filter will generally be located inside the fridge in the middle around the top. Newer model refrigerators have a rectangular cover, but some of the older models may have a square one. They both come off the same way. To remove the cover, you want to follow the arrows and twist to the left or counterclockwise. This will dislodge the lock in the back, and then you can continue to twist and pull towards you. What you don't want to do is twist and pull at the same time, which can result in breaking the cover. Some of these covers can be on there tight and may be difficult to remove. In that case, you can try a few things. First, remove the upper shelves and try twisting counterclockwise using both hands on the corners. And if it's really not moving or it's just stuck, you can use the palm of your hand and bump or hit it up from the bottom right corner to try to dislodge it with a little bit of force. You can also take a rubber mallet and cover the filter with a towel and gently tap upwards at the bottom right corner to dislodge the cover. Once removed, you can pop out the filter and put in the new one. I want to show you two different styles for the rectangle filters. This one on the left without any housing is a discontinued filter, while the one on the right with 4 plastic squares is the current filter LG uses. The old filter is listed as LT120F and is discontinued. And if you have this filter, you can see that the new one won't fit. If this is the case, you can visit lgecares.com/airfiltercover and fill out the form to receive a new free molding for your refrigerator. It'll be these models listed. You can also check the models on the form. The link to the form is in the description of the video. Once the filter has been replaced, put the filter cover back on, tilting slightly and turning clockwise to secure it. Then hold the air filter button 3 seconds to reset it.